Morning. It's Thursday the 26th of March 2020, and if you're watching this in the future, we're a few days in the UK into the coronavirus lockdown. I've been back a week since I arrived from Indonesia, and so I've been in lockdown for about a week now, and it looks like it's going to be a long road, at least 12 weeks inside. Well, I've been thinking a lot over the last week, and I originally decided not to publish any videos. But looking back over the footage from the last year, it's been a real escape for me. Sometimes it's nice to get an escape from this crazy time, to dream about a future where we can once again explore the world. So stay home, stay safe, and here's 15 minutes of escapism. Morning. It's a cool 6 a.m. in Delhi. Been here for 2 weeks working, I've barely gone outside. I've got 2 weeks left cycling in India. I can hardly believe it. Been here for so many months. But now I've got the bit I've been most looking forward to. I'm leaving this quiet road in Delhi. And I'm heading for the Himalayas in 5 days. I'll be in Billing, the paragliding centre of the Indian Himalayas. And then after that, I'll be in Nepal in 1 week. Can't believe it. I'm so relaxed here after 2 weeks of being in a nice flat and chilling out and not having to be outside in the crazy streets that I can barely think about being on the road again. But I'm hoping it will be a little quiet start in Delhi. Maybe that's a bit too much to ask for. So I'm cycling 2 days out of Delhi. I'm in Punjab for the first time, so I'm surrounded by Sikhs. So far I stopped by the world's biggest samovar, a big sacred pool, and last night the roads were getting busier and busier and I ended up in the Glastonbury of Sikhism, a huge festival with thousands of people. But today I'm hoping to reach the foothills for the first time and see the mighty Himalayas in the distance. Keep an eye out. The climb has begun. There's a wall of rock. Oh, beautiful snow-capped peaks. So close. Now it's time for lunch. Check out this climb. Goes all the way up there, and no gradual grading either. So nice to be in the mountains. Okay, so made it to the foothills of the Himalayas. Check out my campsite for the evening. I just scared away a bunch of wild peacocks. This is why I go by bike. Feels good to get the stove out after 5 months in India of not cooking at all. Beans. Flame ready, still branded Vice, my old employer. Stand back for the only downside of petrol is it's a lot of fumes and it makes everything sooty. This is going to last. This is going to cook in about 30 seconds. My bike touring tip for best stove. Look at that. Can you hear the peacocks? Do you know what? I never realised that peacocks were native to India. I've seen them as a kid at all of the stately homes, but obviously they were brought over for the lords and ladies of the empire. Funny what you learn. The cloud is visibly flowing down the valley. What a spot. And I've got 70k uphill to Burr, where I'll be paragliding for the week. Everything's slightly damp, but I'm just happy to be out in the mountains. It's so good. Time for some peanut butter and jam. First proper sighting of the range. I don't know if you can even see it on the GoPro. First sight of all the paragliders. No way you can see them on a GoPro. There's a couple of pilots in the stratosphere. Cloud base is really high. Looks awesome. I'm almost there.